Blessings, everyone. Welcome back to Table Talk JA. And today we have our co host, Marlon. Marlon is back again.
Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome. And we also have Jamaica Adventures. So, welcome,
Hey
Jamaica
guys,
Adventures. Thank you so much for joining on.
thank you for inviting me to Table Talk. It's a pleasure being here. Yes.
Yes. So, definitely tell our audience about your channel. Some of them might have saw you. I know you went to the YouTube meetup with Colors and everyone.
Yes.
But if they haven't seen your channel before, let them know what it's about and let them know how you got started.
Okay, so first and foremost, I am Akeem Williams, guys. My channel is Jamaica Adventures, right? So, how comes my channel got started? From I was a kid, I have some elder cousin, right? From my uncles to my cousins, most of them are fishermen, right? So
Okay.
I guess it's in the blood. And me and Offgrid, same Offgrid, used to go and we used to throw line all about Creamer. Marlon know Creamer. Marlon says his uncle place. Yeah, man. So we used to
Wow.
go throw line. And I got familiar with YouTube now, and I'm starting to see Foul Wildlife TV. I saw Colors. I think I saw Colors when he just started walking in the mangroves. When it just started going to the mangroves and then places, you're kind of afraid because
Yeah.
you see the water in the mangroves and the normal water. Crocodile
Yeah.
can be in them and out of a danger, stingray. So that kind of inspired me. I say, wait, I'm gonna see these guys like them a catch fish and them a eat the fish and them they pan wow yum and then they pan yummy and things. So me I say, wait, I wonder them always a tease me, mouth watering. So me I said,
Right.
I used to catch fish too. I wonder if I can do this.
Wow.
And
Okay.
from then and there, I went to St. Catherine down in Bushy Park. Bush, my cousin. Tropical Hunter, my cousin.
Mhm.
We went out because we grew together, but we never been fishing together. As I said before, it was me, just
Mhm.
me, and Offgrid Adventures, right?
Wow.
And after at first of my journey, I used to go fishing with only one hook, right? One single hook. And whenever I used to have to walk miles. And when I walk that miles and I go to fishing with the one hook, sometimes the line rotten and that one hook pop up from the water. And those water
Wow.
from the water and from the water wet,
Yeah,
crocodile night. And we ain't
yeah.
going
Yep.
near it. So fishing over. Summertime
Right.
as we reach, hook pop off. Fishing done right there. So from
I
that
heard,
we
I
kinda
heard about
evolve
that story.
we kinda evolve, we get more braver. We start going in
Mhm.
the water them some of the time. We stay up on
Okay.
banking some of the time. We haven't doing much spearfishing because I'm afraid of the water that's down our side because they are a whole heap of crocodile.
Wow.
Yes. So rod spearfishing, fall wildlife adventures, and Color Smith, even Cameron. Those guys inspired me. And
Wow.
I
That's
I just
good.
started. Yes. I just started.
Awesome.
And
Yeah.
I want to
That's
say one thing about Akeem as well, guys. I'm going to put in a word for Akeem. How I met Akeem. Um, I was not even doing YouTube at the time when I met Akeem. I was watching
hmm.
his video, and as again, I look a coolie boy, and to me, I was a coolie boy in them the days that we call ourselves.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I used to go fishing, and it caught me because he reminded me
Oh,
of me, you
you guys
know.
kind of look
And I
alike too.
remember, yeah, maybe we're family because Williams, his last name is Williams, and I
Yes,
have
my
family
last
name
name is William.
Williams too, you know. And I reached out to him, and I was asking him about YouTube itself, and I was asking him, oh, I would love to come and go fishing one of these days. And that
Mm.
is later, maybe a month or two later, I started my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Wow.
And here it is now. We met. It's like we're brothers. And it's a really nice story, man. Really nice story.
Yes.
Yes, definitely
Yes,
came full circle. But one
correct.
thing you mentioned was like that brevity because a lot of people watch a lot of videos that are similar content. And I know for me personally, when I watch them, I'm like, I don't know how they're not afraid of what's in the water. I know, like, if you grow up around it and you're used to it, but like me personally, I'm squirmish about any bugs or wildlife. I love nature, but I'm very squirmish, so I understand it from that point. But like for you to actually go out, don't know what's in the water and stuff like that, and gradually build, that confidence.
Confident.
How do you overcome that fear?
How do I overcome that fear? Okay, so you have a thing them called 32. Do you know what that is?
No.
Marlon, you do you know what a 32 is?
A
That's a cut.
32.
That's a cutlass,
Oh,
right?
okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
So you see, even though I'm not going to harm what's in the water, I have to
Hmm.
protect myself while I'm at the water,
Hmm.
right?
Yes, yes.
I have to
Right.
protect myself. Yes. And most of the time, I don't go at the water edge. You see, if I can't see in the water, I won't go in the
Hmm.
water. Yes.
Guys,
Okay.
when he started to do the fishing, the YouTube, he used to go by himself.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Yes. I
You know,
remember.
That's interesting.
I remember even before I got a camera. I remember my cousin Joe and my second brother Garnet. Right?
Mhm.
We went fishing one day, and we said we're going to camp. Only thing we have had was only three sheets.
Oh,
My brother had a phone. I don't remember the time. I think it's an Alcatel. Yeah, that phone lasts for the whole night. We use that phone
wow.
as a lamppost. What we did, we tied the phone on a stick and jammed the stick in the ground. And you see those three sheets, we only caught. And you see that day, man, we only caught one fish. Only
hmm
one
Wow.
fish. Out of all the fish that we saw, we only
hmm
caught one fish, and that one fish make a big pot of soup. And that night, and that night, Marlon, that was the best fish tea I ever drank, right?
yeah,
And
Wow.
that that night we had to use. Remember, I know it's just three of us, and
yeah.
we put one sheet on the ground. I got I got about five bamboo, two this way and two over the other section, one on the top, and we put the sheets on it, and we use the sand because the ground
Uh-huh.
is sand. I use the sand to cover the edges that sheet
Wow.
could stay stiff, and
Yeah.
one sheet on the ground. Marlon, cool box me shut, Marlon. Cool box me. When we get up, my hand is numb. But
Yeah.
Wow.
when really waking up in the morning and seeing the sun rise, seeing the sun rise, Marlon,
Yeah.
hmm
With nature.
living to see another day, enjoy yourself. Oh God, man, that's something. That is something else, Marlon. So from that, it's just strike like Cupid just fire him spirit right into my heart and say, this is your thing, Akeem. This is your thing. So you need to start do something like this. And even if you do it by yourself, even though it's dangerous, guys, dangerous. It's very, very dangerous because I could go out there, something happened to me. I could catch a stroke. I'm not saying anything gonna happen now. I could catch a
Correct.
stroke, well in the water, falling in the water, and I can't help myself. Nobody's there to help me most of the time,
Exactly.
right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and I come from humble beginnings, right, Marlon? I never grew up rich.
Correct.
Yes, I
Yeah.
never grew up rich. So I had to I had to make what I have. I have to use what I have. I have to use all the resources that I have. I have to make things out of thin air,
Right.
Yeah.
right? Yeah. I have to
But
make things out of
Janelle,
thin
I
air.
want to say something else. You think it's a crocodile you have to worry about, Janelle? It's the mosquitoes.
Yes,
Yeah, the
yes,
mosquitoes. Oh my gosh. I
You
know.
wow, 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 wow. You
Yeah.
the
know?
mosquitoes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. But I
My
want to
goodness.
say, Akeem, as I said, the first time I did not know who you are. I remember I got your number, I called you. I came down the first time I met him, and you will see that in one of my videos where I met Akeem and Jamaica Tropical Hunter.
yes,
One thing I really respect about you guys are young boys, but in keeping the nose clean.
yes,
And I
always.
respect that with you guys. Because they could be doing so much other things out there. Because guys, over here, when I said Janella, where they are, it's there's like it's very, very poor area. These
Hmm.
boys has nothing to do around here, and they could be
Right.
doing so much bad things, but yet these are
Yeah.
the young boys that we were talking about that's been, like influenced, that's been pushed to doing good things,
Right.
and they're trying to do
Hmm.
the good things, guys. So I really respect them for that, Janelle. I really do.
And that's very
Yes.
important too, because you're also opening up a way to like kind of give back to your community. Because a
Yeah.
lot of the younger people, they'll see that's what you're doing and they see that, it's something that you can also, support your lifestyle with. And then they'll have the motivation to kind of follow in that as well. So
Yes,
that's
Yeah.
yes.
very important.
I I even brought a few of my cousins with me. As I said, Offgrid Adventures and Tropical Hunter. But Marlon,
Hmm.
I want to thank you so much. Generally, Marlon has been so good, so good. Marlon took his time off. We're here about what 3 days now. Marlon took his time off and said, Jamaica Adventures, come. I need to boost your
Yeah.
channel because trust me, I ain't making nothing from YouTube.
No.
Hmm.
I ain't making
Yeah.
nothing from YouTube. I just do it from the love of my heart and my hard working money. And it costs a
Hmm.
lot. It costs a lot with
Yeah.
the content that I am doing.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yes, it
That's
costs a lot.
good.
Trust
And
me.
that is
I just
very
want.
interesting because with Marlon having such a short time there, I feel like he's been on like a world tour, with
Yeah,
Jamaica. Like
yeah.
he's covered a
I
lot.
think, man.
There are some places he probably wasn't able to reach, but the amount of
Yes.
people so far, I mean, against all odds, yes, you have to give it to him.
Yes,
Thank you,
man.
thank you,
Definitely.
thank you. Yes.
Yes,
It always ought to go
Yes.
here. Especially that meet and greet. I was overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Janella, you know me. When I'm in a position, sometimes I forget what to say. But I was
yes,
just, it's like I didn't want the camera even on me. I was just meeting everybody. I'm like, those, give me a hug. I mean, they'll tell you.
yeah,
Everybody
yeah,
just come. I said, don't, give me a hug and shake hand. Man, me shake them hand. Women was
Right.
hugging, and everybody was just saying
Yeah.
hi to us. And it's
Yes.
nice,
Right.
man. It
yes.
was really nice. Yes, yes,
All
yes.
right,
Definitely.
Janelle,
That
do
kind of
you do
goes
you
back to the
do you, do you believe in ghosts, right? You guys believe in ghosts?
no.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a story. I'm going to give you a story, and this is a real life story. And only if the camera could hear the voice that call, I could show you guys. All right, so one day, me and Bush, right? That's Fish Bush.
Uh-huh.
That's what I call him, my cousin. Well, that you see me and him do most videos together. And we went to a place like called Wire Fence. We always hear say a whole heap of elder used to go down there that passed away
Yeah.
back in the days, and them call quite a few names.
Where is this
And
again? Where is this place?
down in Saint Catherine where I do
Okay.
my videos, down in the
Oh,
mangrove.
okay. Oh.
Yes.
And then just say you want to carry me?
No, no, no. It was a
Oh,
different place.
oh,
I was
okay.
going there.
Marlon doesn't need no more W stories.
Yes.
so, so anyway, man, me and Bush reached the spot, fishing spot. Anyway, we had some Pepsi, we had some water. Started to throw line, catching fish, and out of the blues, we heard a call, Bush. So I say, so Bush turned to me and say, eh? Right? Because me sit on the right side of him,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
crocodile and the sea
yeah.
water and the mangroves, the crocodile, sea
Uh-huh.
saltwater crocodile did it. And they're
Uh-huh.
very vicious, right? And I said, what's wrong with you? You get off? So that was 30 man say. That's exactly what 30 man say. So he say, now you come let's go. I said, no, bro, oh, call me here. Somebody call you for you.
Yeah.
I personally saw Bush get up and go look. Somebody said, Bush, tell me something. You don't watch our movie? Marlon, trust me, Marlon. You see, most of the place that I go fishing, it's
Yeah.
very, very dangerous. All sorts of things. Everything is there to hurt you. From maca, mosquito, crocodile, spirit. So any event can occur.
Yeah.
It's a whole heap of troubles and trials.
Wow. Wow. No,
That's good.
no, me not going, please. Let's go fishing where there's a lot of people. Me not going in those kind of places with you guys. You
Right.
know.
Please take Marlon
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there.
And
There you
then
go.
you go down there by yourself after that, by yourself?
Yes, yes.
No,
I
no, no,
even
no, no, no.
I even remember one night, we were going to fish. We were going fishing and bush them. Like they took the boat because we have a paddle boat. They took the boat and them leave me and me alone. I forgot it, but me have the pot in my bag, and the guys
Yeah.
needed the pot because them leave the pot on land and them leave a
Mhm.
bucket of fresh water. You know, you have to have fresh water
Yeah.
because every
Right.
time we go night fishing, I always cook,
Hmm.
and I had to walk 1 mile barefoot
No, sir.
down to the spot. And you see, even now I'm going to video. You see, the next time I'm going there, I'm going to do a video, just no fishing, just a video of walking to the spot, Marlon.
Wow.
You
Yes.
see, walking
Yes.
to that spot, it's very dangerous because you can walk and you have some part of it, you drop through a straight water bottom again.
Wow.
Guys, stay
Wow.
tuned for that. And you know, Jamaica Adventures always outside. Friday and Chris, if you can't miss. That is it. Big up yourself, guys.
All
I'm
right.
out.
Okay, everyone. So that was Jamaica Adventures. Please, please, please go ahead and check out his channel. His information is going to be in the description. And definitely stay tuned. We have Offgrid Adventures, and we're going to go ahead and
Okay, so
bring
this
him
is
on.
Offgrid Adventure, which I met just the other day for the first time. And brother, I respect you and I thank you very much. Yes.
I
So
respect you.
Offgrid guys have been driving me around. So we rented a car and they drive me around. They're actually staying with me here at the Airbnb. And I said, guys, it's like we know each other for years. You know, good guys. I really respect them. They're all so protective. I'm not lying. Last night we went to buy some food because we were hungry. We came in late from the country last night. Where was that place again where you guys we stopped? Because that was the only place open.
Waltham. Waltham Park.
Waltham. But
Welcome
yet,
on good part.
correct. And it was dangerous out there, guys. And let me tell you, he doesn't realize. Of course, I wanted to step outside, being brave, but they would
Yeah.
not leave me alone. One of them would always have to be with me. And
Yeah.
I felt like a little baby, So I respect that, guys. I do respect that. I see it. I don't say
That's
nothing,
good.
but I saw it. I saw it.
That's,
Yes, yes.
that's wonderful.
Yeah,
So,
man.
Offgrid Adventures, welcome to Table Talk JA. It's great having you here.
Thank you all for having me here. So I am off grid adventures and I go by the name of Andre Graham, which is my birth name. And how I started this YouTube channel is Akeem, Jamaica Adventure. He told me that Marlon was coming, and Marlon needed a driver. And he must say to me, say, Andre, it's a good thing to start a YouTube channel. And being at the time when I work, I say, well, we're going to meet Marlon and thing, and everybody's a YouTuber, and so why not be a YouTuber also? You understand? So Akeem inspired me a lot. We used to go on adventure with Akeem, and trust me, it wasn't easy because at times I couldn't go with them because Akeem got to some dangerous places.
Yes.
Yeah, when I tell you dangerous places, we used to do it, back then, when we was younger, but we wasn't videoing anything. You understand?
Mhm.
Okay.
Akeem used to come as well. You understand? Akeem loved those kind of thing. And if you know Akeem name, you would know why he loved those kind of thing. He like dangerous stuff.
Yep.
So it come as a natural. It's a normal thing for him. No, you
Mhm.
understand being how he grew up.
Right.
But Akeem really inspired me,
Mhm.
and
So, what
it's
is
been a
your
good
content
vibe.
about on your channel?
All right, we do like fishing, and my channel it won't be like it won't be limited to only one type of content, like fishing.
Okay.
You understand? So you would see me walking at times, and I would be videoing that. You understand? So I would do from fishing, I would do camping with Akeem because, obviously it's Jamaica adventure. I'm off grid adventure. So you don't have to come
Mhm.
on grid, at times with him,
Excuse me a
because
second.
I'm the off
Yes.
grid guy. But yeah,
Right.
from camping to cooking, walking, just about anything. My day-to-day activity. You understand?
One thing I told him to do. Um, he was a truck driver. He is a good driver, guys.
Mm,
So anybody
very
out there
important.
coming,
Yeah.
correct. Anybody coming to Jamaica, and if we can link a way of him contacting him, who can't drive and need a driver, they will rent the car. They will pick them up at the airport. And stuff like that. And he's a good driver, guys. He's a safe driver, a good driver, and I will not say that for any and anyone unless it's the truth. Okay?
Yeah.
So he's a good driver. That's another thing for your brother. Picking up your people when you're
Definitely.
driving, your sceneries. He
Yeah.
knows a lot of places with food.
Wow,
So when
that's
you're going
important
out, you're
too.
recording. I
Yes.
think it's a good thing for you. You go out there, you try the food, you talk about the food, you have your people, you know where to carry them. So that's another good
Yeah.
thing for your channel, brother. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Correct. Akeem, there's another thing
Mm.
for your channel. I see. Akeem is absolutely a great cook, and he's not using
All
that.
right.
Okay, and it's not
Yeah.
just. Let me tell you, it's not just regular Jamaican thing. He can cook all of that, but he has the Indian blood where you can get the other things, the roti, mango
Yeah.
chakari, those other
Very
food. We need to see more of that.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, all right.
They have a lot of
Talent.
correct, and other trees and other things, plants and things that the Indians use that you don't see out there
Hmm.
much. What's the name of that thing you let me
Right.
taste? That sour thing.
Oh,
Carmanga.
the manga.
You ever had carmanga, Janelle?
Oh, I've
You
heard it.
never heard of? You heard of it?
That is
Well,
very
he has the
powerful.
trees there. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Talk about it.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
yeah. So
Yes,
Kawanga.
you guys have to capitalize on that different, because it is a little bit different from, all the other
Correct,
content. You have a
correct.
lot of people that are doing the same content, so you want to make sure
Yeah,
you have something that's unique, that
Union.
brings to that table. So
Exactly,
yeah, that's good. Yeah.
exactly. And
yeah,
let me tell you what else I see them do, which is different. In the Indian way, because my Auntie Pauline Yata broadside is the Indian side.
yeah.
When them cooking, Janelle, and making the curry and things, sorry guys, the sweetest food is when you use your finger and rub up the thing and eat it, It's
Yeah.
sweet.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah.
those are the things I'm bringing back those days, guys. It's really
Oh,
nice.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Definitely.
definitely.
So,
I look
so
forward to seeing more of your channel, especially Offgrid Adventures. I know you're just starting. So, right now I believe you're at 37 subscribers. So definitely,
Yeah.
guys, if you're watching, definitely go over to Offgrid Adventures channel. At least get him to the 50 so he can start doing some awesome live
live,
streams for you
live
on
stream,
too,
correct.
and then get
Definitely.
to interact. You'll get to interact with him and, kind of ask questions and stuff like that. And, we just definitely want to see more content, and we can't wait till when you have people coming from, all different places, and, you're doing
Definitely.
your whole adventures and tour packages and everything. So,
Yeah.
Everything.
yeah,
But
yeah.
there's
Thanks
one
to
more thing.
Marlon,
Yeah, man,
Thanks
you're
to
welcome, guys.
Marlon.
You're welcome anytime. I really appreciate you guys. I love to see
yeah,
you young guys are doing positive stuff, not doing
right.
anything out there, negative. But Art off grid, you told me a story yesterday while we were driving, and I want to share it. So, Akeem, sorry about this, brother. Can you tell them why there's a nickname Akeem have? Why him get the name that name?
Oh,
And tell them the
Lord.
name. Listen to
Well,
this now.
basically, all the stuff that you see him doing that is very risky. That is
Hmm.
why he get the name. You understand?
Tell them the name.
Him have a nickname, Suicider. You do impossible stuff. So
You don't need to kind of living
things
on
that
the
other
edge.
you see things that people would have like afraid to do, him actually do
Mhm.
it already. You understand? He actually
Right.
does it.
You need 1 second
So
channel living on the edge.
yeah, yeah. So
I am not going back to New York without tasting Akeem's food. So Akeem,
yeah,
somewhere, somehow, today, you're making something curry for me.
All right,
yeah.
we gonna
Because
get
I
some.
have to
We
make
gonna
this. I have to
we
taste
gonna
it.
get. We're going to get some common mango today, and we're gonna curry
Yes,
some mango.
correct.
All right,
Curry
Okay,
mango?
yes.
curry
Yes.
mango. Yeah. Come on, mango.
It
Or
is
ear
nice.
mango.
Yeah. There's another name we use, Janelle, when we are when I don't know if it's the same thing, but when the curry mango with the rice and things, I call it manga takari.
Yeah, it's mango
Yeah,
takari.
That is it.
that is
Yes.
the name.
And I love that.
I've
I
never
have
had
not
that
had
before.
that. Yeah, over 30 years, guys. Over 30
Wow.
years, I haven't had that. Yeah,
Yeah. All right.
correct.
I'm gonna see three. We're gonna do a video on that.
Okay.
Yes, do a
Yeah,
video. I want to see that.
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah. We're
Yes.
gonna do a video
Definitely.
on that. Today.
And that is what I would love to
Yeah.
see. The three cousins of you, not just the fishing. You don't have to just do fishing, but the
Yes.
three of your
definitely.
three cousins chipping in and cooking the Indian style food. And
Right.
may I tell you something more want to learn? So I need you to make a video and it good. Want to learn
Yeah.
how to make roti.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I need to learn how to make
We can.
roti. So guys, make a nice video with a roti for us.
Yeah.
We can.
yeah.
Yeah. We can do that, and we can show it today. Cause we're gonna make roti with the mango.
All right, all
There
right.
you go. Look at
So
that.
Yeah.
guys, it looked like I might have to cancel my flight and stay back another week. Because if the food's sweet, me now go
That
back
is
right
it.
now.
That is it.
But Janella,
Yeah,
again, overall, I thank them for them to being here with me. I feel
Yes.
so safe. I feel so comfortable, Janelle. It's unbelievable.
That's good.
Mom, I
That's
am fine. Everybody, all my subscribers, everybody out there, I am fine.
yes.
I feel
definitely.
so safe amongst these guys.
That's good.
And yeah,
That's
yeah,
good.
man. Yes, yes.
And that's one of the things that a lot of people have that concern about is like safety, especially if they were
Definitely.
born in Jamaica and maybe they've been foreign for a long time and they're coming back, or maybe they were born in the U.S. and their family's Jamaican and they want to come back to the island and kind of get acquainted with it and stuff. So that's one of the biggest things. You don't want to go and be in the resorts all day every day. You want to have that real Jamaican experience, but
Hmm.
you're always told how dangerous everything is and people, you can't trust them and stuff. So
Yes.
the fact that you all have that platform and you can show that that you're operating with integrity and honesty, and so
Yes.
people can
Yeah.
feel comfortable, they can reach out, they know, say, all right, you guys are there, the place, the places to get food, you have different skills that can make them feel
Hmm.
comfortable as
Hmm.
well. So yeah, that's really, really good.
Yes. Guys, let me tell you what I see with the guys. They know that I'm on a mission right now. I've been doing a whole lot. I have a lot on my plate right now. But Akeem, you guys have to, if I can, I will try to help you guys as much as I can, but you guys really need a mic to have a better thing out there. You're not hearing the wind and everything like that. You guys
Yeah.
need some equipments, guys. All right, not just the
Yeah.
phone.
Definitely.
You're out there. You need a camera stand. You need all of those things out there when you're out there. Holding the camera and fishing. It's not the. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
want
It's
Yeah,
very
you
hard.
guys need some equipments. Yes, you guys need some
Yeah.
equipments.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
So
definitely.
I'll try my best when I go back. All right.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
And before you cut it, I want to say thanks again, Marlon.
Oh,
You
you're
understand,
welcome, brother. You're
Marlon?
welcome. You're very welcome.
Marlon is
Very
a
welcome.
nice and intelligent guy, and he have a big heart. Trust me.
Yeah.
Thank
Only
you.
Yeah.
Thank
a
you.
lot of people could get to meet Marlon. Trust me. We
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
family. It's
Correct.
like we grew up together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Trust me.
Before we go, I want to mention something. I'm going to even the young boys here mention Jamaica Adventures and stuff like that. Mentioned yesterday. We went to see callers yesterday in
Oh, yeah.
Por-
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Portland.
that's right.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes.
So
yeah.
we went to see Cola yesterday, but he got booked because
Yeah.
reason being Marlon left is, I think it was a charger, Marlon.
Correct.
Yes, the charger in the car, and we went to see Colas and we went to do some fishing as well. So we went and we see that he got booked. So out of respect, I know Marlon have a big heart, so do we. We
Definitely.
didn't we didn't take out our camera with us. We go, we say hi to the subscribers, we say hi to Colors, we say hi to his team, and then we go down the sea and we enjoy
Correct.
ourselves. I think Marlon enjoyed himself because I started water boxing over, Marlon laughing, water boxing over, Marlon laugh.
Chanel, you don't love to see that. I went into the water and I was sitting down, and all of a sudden the wave came, and there was my leg up in the air, you know. But
Oh my.
yeah, man. But another thing again, and you guys have to wait. Please remember to keep a check on Jamaica Adventures channel. We
Yeah.
want to see. All I know as a kid growing up, you're catching crab machete
Yeah,
and your hand. But they have a different way of catching land crabs.
yeah,
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So, guys, if you want to see it, you got to go over to his channel. He hasn't
Yeah.
done it. I don't think he posted up one as yet, but very soon.
Yes, very
yeah,
You're
soon.
going to see
Soon
the
and very
new
soon.
way of catching land crab as well.
Yeah, yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Man.
Thank you
Thank you.
very
Well,
much.
thank you all for joining. It was a pleasure meeting you both. I hope to have you back on soon, and then we can,
Same
track
to
the
you, you
progress of
know.
your channel and stuff like
I
that as
want
well. But all of their information is going to be in the description, so definitely check it out. And, just stop by, say hi, let them know you came from Table Talk JA. And thank you all for watching. Thank you to all of our new subscribers as well. And we'll be back. Let's see who's our next guest.
Blessings. Thank you. Thank
Blessings,
you.
blessings.
to
God
okay,
love it.
thank
Blessings.
you.
Yeah, man. Okay,
Nice to
Janelle.
meet you,
Thank you.
Janelle.
Thank you.